Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Toyota HiLux Xtra Cab SR5, stock reference number 3739. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2005 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 1kd 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. Here we have the 1kd 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle was hit in the left front and the left hand side. We have the right hand halogen headlight. Not much has survived on the left hand side. Left hand seat's in good condition. Grey cloth. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It's got a steel tray supplied with all bolts and brackets, tail lights and everything you see on it. Factory fitted tow bar, 2500 kilo rated, supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom. Right hand rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door has a couple small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage, flared type. And a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle's fitted with a grey cloth interior, grey vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav, tom-tom, CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.